we've set up this Plug and Drive Ontario is we saw a gap in Ontario falling behind in terms of electric vehicles and deployment because Ontario has quite a fragmented electricity sector, whereas some other provinces have like one big utility that's just putting in the infrastructure. So we're playing a coordinating role, bringing together the automakers, the electricity companies, and the researchers to figure out how to help Ontario get ready for the arrival of electric vehicles.
In Canada, we could put 1 million volts on the road today. There's only about 19 million vehicles in total on the road. And it would consume less than 1% of the total grid generation. So it's insignificant. So the total energy these vehicles would take from the grid are very insignificant. And the beauty of it is that when they'd be taking them is in off-peak times at night where the grid has all sorts of extra capacity. So the grid capacity is not an issue. Same thing in the U.S. And what people are talking about at the utilities is at the local area. A typical neighborhood has transformers, so they would have 5 to 6 homes connected to one transformer. If each household had a Volt or a Leaf or some other plug-in electric vehicle, they all plugged in at the same time, could there be an issue with that transformer? There is that possibility, depending on the age of that transformer, etc. Not so much because that transformer isn't designed to handle that load, because the load isn't that much. Again, this vehicle takes no more than basically a refrigerator. So everyone's got extra refrigerator, air conditioning running, etc. It's just the transformers are designed to be actually cooling at night because they've been heated up during the day. So if they don't have a cool down period, the actual transformer could have good problems over time, not right away, but over time. So that's why people like Tom O'Dell at Toronto Hydro, they want to understand, their real interest is, how are these vehicles going to show up in the market? Are they going to be distributed evenly? Like, basically, well, this neighbor has one, someone down the block has one, someone in the next neighborhood has one. That'd be fine. There'd be no local grid impact. But if one particular neighborhood had 20 or 30 out of 100 homes, that's where the problem could result.